Everybody say hi. Suck it in, girl. Suck it in.
Ow. Look at Flash Dance.
I know, right? Huh? Your headband.
Look at the baby with the unibrow.
Look at hi, baby. Hi, baby. Hi, baby. Oh.
Don't let him even touch it.
You are a mess. Are you a mess? Oh, you just farted. You just farted. So, Melissa, are you having fun?
I'm gonna punch your camera.
Are you having fun?
Is this like interview with Sam?
Yes, it is.
Your turn. So no bugs come around.
I know, right?
She's like, I'm not looking at the camera.
Keep crawling on
So you always get a little camera up in the corner.
Okay, yeah, that's
Okay, and don't forget, this is
And that's Tasha's big mouth.
Right, true story.
coming in, and that will bring it back. Okay.
I wonder if it's picking it up.
Probably. She's got big mouth.
Mm.
I don't know where all that lung power comes out of that little tiny box.
If you want the video, some of them. Hey, Pumpkin Little. Over here, Pumpkin. Pumpkin. Over here.
Sam, get your butt out of the video camera shot.
Over here, Pumpkin.
Oh, they got theirs.
If that thing had all wheels on all
Let
three,
Grandpa
he'd be
go
gone.
get a washcloth and a thing and just clean you up, because I think your cookie's all gone.
Yeah, no, it's not all
It's
gone. It's
all
just all
over
dirty.
him.
He's gone.
It's gone. Why is the little bug right on?
Baby.
Hey, baby. Hi, baby.
Put that washcloth back.
Hey, baby.
I didn't do anything with the washcloth.
I want a baby.
Mommy, there is chocolate
Oh, yeah.
all over every
I
part
did.
of every little toy on that thing.
Can I have a lens cover on it now?
No. The lens cover's at home.
What
It
the
doesn't
hell is
really
this?
do much
Like-
good.
Freaking a videography class? Are you taking pictures or are you taking
Oh, okay.
my chocolate? My chocolate's probably tongue. My tongue's probably chocolatey.
Your chocolate's probably time?
Oh,
he
he found
found a
half
cookie.
of it.
He said, I found some more cookies.
Grandpa, wait, he found more cookies.
Yeah, he found it.
I'm not his uncle, I'm his grandpa.
That's what I said, Grandpa.
I thought you said Uncle Wayne. That's what Josh keeps telling me. Tell Uncle Wayne. Tell Uncle. Josh used to call me Uncle Wayne. Hey, Buggy. Hey, Buggy.
Right, that's it.
Find more cookies?
Bye.
When you get ready, I think Grandpa just gonna go
I
ahead
just
and
got
give you a
headshot.
bath.
Okay, because I'm not fucking.
Huh?
I just got headshot.